Mediation. Techniques for resolving workplace disputes. Conflicts in the workplace aren't uncommon, but left unresolved, they can disrupt productivity and morale. Mediation is a powerful tool to turn disagreements into opportunities for better understanding and collaboration. Let's explore how you can mediate conflicts effectively and create a healthier work environment. First, encourage open communication by giving both parties the chance to speak. Listen actively, focusing on understanding, not judging. Next, identify common ground. What shared goals or values can unite the team? This builds a foundation for collaborative solutions that both sides can accept. Fostering empathy is key. Encourage team members to see the situation through each other's eyes. Stay neutral and fair, guiding the conversation calmly to keep it productive. Remember, a mediator isn't a problem solver. They facilitate discussions that allow the team to find their own resolutions. Handled effectively, workplace conflicts can strengthen teams, improve relationships, and increase trust. Mediation transforms disagreement into dialogue, empowering employees to collaborate and thrive together. Start applying these mediation techniques today. Share this video with colleagues and create a culture of understanding in your workplace. Together, let's build stronger, more connected teams where everyone feels heard and empowered to succeed.